Hello everyone! For today's episode, I'm going to show you how to transfer your crypto BUSD from Binance to your Metamask wallet. Let's begin. So first what I'm going to do, I will actually go to my Metamask wallet. Now, for those who are still new to cryptocurrency and doesn't know any of these things, we have a lot of video tutorials for you to learn more about cryptocurrency. Just please check our channel and don't forget to subscribe for updated videos. So going back to our episode, so in this case, this is how my MetaMask wallet looks like. I just need to get my wallet address for BUSD because this is, where the funds are going to come in. So since it's incoming funds or incoming crypto, I will choose receive. If I need to send it from here to Binance, then you can just click send. In this case, I will just click on receive. And either you can do via QR code, or in my case, I will just gonna click this little button right here that says copy. So I already copied my BUSD wallet address. Now I will go back to my Binance account. And where do we normally store our coins? It's in our wallet. So I will go to fiat and spot. And from here, I can see all my coins. I will locate my BUSD. So let's just wait for the page to load. And once we already have this, normally guys, it would show you, the coins that you have here. So either from all the cryptocurrencies that you trade, or from what you receive from your friends, for anything that's business related. You can also receive crypto. So in this case, for BUSD, I already have it right here. I just need to click what you call this, there's a button right here for withdraw. And then since we're choosing BUSD, this one, and then remember that we copied our address, so we just put that there. And network, it's just BSC, so just gonna use that. Just a reminder, just click on yes, I'm sure. So say for example, you already have like an amount that you can put in there, so you either choose if it's coming from your spot or coming from your funding wallet. And when you withdraw, it would ask for additional information before you would actually confirm your transfer BUSD. But pretty much this is your simple steps on how to transfer your BUSD to MetaMask wallet. I hope you learned something today. Please leave a like. Thank you for watching.